Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SAP Concur how to create an expense. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to create an expense using SAP Concur, what you need to do is simply first head over and then open up your SAP app, and then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account with the company credentials. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the expense tab at the bottom, then simply tap on the plus icon to start a new expense report, or simply tap on existing report to add to it. The next is to add an expense. Simply going inside the report, tap add an expense option, then choose one of the following from create new expense, use expense cell if enabled, and select from available expenses, example credit charges. Then next is to enter expense details, choose the expense type from meals, taxi or hotel, then fill in the transaction date, amount, vendor or location, and business purpose, and any other required custom fields as well. Then next is to attach a receipt by simply tapping on attach receipt and choosing the method by selecting from taking a photo or uploading from gallery, or selecting the receipt from gallery. Then once done, all you gotta do is tap on save, and that's basically how you can do it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.